This is Shahrukh from Auto Services Provider. Today we are testing compression test because this car is overheated. By cranking, you can feel it. It's free engine, so it's mean either its gasket, cylinder head gasket is gone, or something else, which is 90% chances are gone. But how to do compression test and how the result we are looking at, we'll go for that, and that is short video for that. So first remove the cover which is held with the 10 millimeter, and then remove 4 coils with the 10 millimeter bolt. Remove the clips and put it aside. Remove the all spark plugs, which I'm going to do it, and then put a gauge, which is a compression testing gauge, which is kind of look like this. You can get it in local auto parts stores as a loaner tool as well, and make sure that you get it okay gauge, because this is my own, so I know it. Because last time sometimes they don't have a valve, shaded valve over here, or sometimes they are missing. So make sure whatever you get it, it should be completed. Recheck it before taking it from the part store, and then do what I'm doing it. Just remove that spark plugs, and this is a 5/8. Sorry, yeah, it's a 5/8 socket which we need it, and that's how you remove it. Once I remove it and make a gauge fix, and then I'll continue with it. Before you go for compression test, after removing or before removing, check the ignition coil. Toyota have a notorious problem whenever the car is heat up, they get melted the coils and they short it inside. So by looking this, you can see it over here. It's kind of melted. So I think all of that coils, if they have a, okay, that is what it is I was telling about it. So I think these coils are shorted. Before, I mean, I'll do the compression test, but I'm sure that is the issue why it's not starting yet right now. So four of them, three of them are almost somewhere heat melted. So now we are on the main compression. Once we confirm that compression is good, then I'll change the coils. Otherwise, I have to lift the engine, replace it, or I have to replace the cylinder head. Heated cars have issues whenever we are trying to take it out the cylinder head bolts. They normally take it out the threads out of from the block because they are aluminum on the top and aluminum on the bottom, so they are become soft. Once you try to lose it, it came out. So let's see what exactly is coming out, but right now we are compression testing it, so focus on that thing. Thank you. This is how you fix it. That hose, check it, it's good. Then you have to fix this gauge. uh, if you have a two persons, that will be great. Otherwise you just fix it like this, keep it on the safe side, crank it, or if someone is sitting in the car, crank it 3 times, 4 times, and let's see how the compression is coming. Wow, there is no compression in it. That's weird. There should be a little bit compression, but as the gauge mentioned, you can see it. I'll try one more time and let's see. Second time, same compression. There is means no compression in cylinder 1. Let's go for all the compressions and let's see. Advise that you can disconnect the fuse for injector or take it out the relay, but it's okay. You're just doing a compression test. Now compression testing on the cylinder 2. It's 0 right now. Let's see how much compression I'll get it. Let's see. Same compression test. So 2 number cylinder is gone. 3 and 4 should be same almost. So this situation you can leave the test, but I'm just going to check all of the compression to assess how bad the cylinder head is gone, just for my experience. So two of them is gone, mean cylinder head gasket is gone. The cylinder head has to be come out and send it to the machine shop. Once it's open, you will know how whooped or badly its condition is. But just for now, testing it, I just want to go for all of the cylinders. Cylinder number 3, we are looking into cylinder number 3. I'll crank it and let's see. Well, one thing is constant, they have same pressure. Nothing, no pressure. Okay, last one. Let's see on the 4. Cylinder number 4, let's see what we get it. As we expected, cylinder number 4. It should be minimum 125. We can run the engine, but this compression engine is toasted. At least what I can say right now, until I'll remove the cylinder head and send it. But there should be a compression coming out, something. But looking on the coils, ignition coils and everything, engine is gone. This is how you test it, identify it, and tell your customer what happened. Hopefully you like this compression test and general information. Thank you for watching. This is Sharu from Auto Services Provider. Today is 2008 Toyota Camry and 2.4 liter engine 2AZFE. Thank you for watching.